the story of a broken girl who seen way too much to be friends with the world and decided to keep her memory clean as a matter of routine. But there's still times when she wakes up in the night, stares at her passport and the ghost by her side. Deep in her heart there is no turning back, lost without a ticket on the wrong way track. Yes, I am lost on the wrong way track, wrong way train. Yes, I am lost and there's no turning back, wrong way train. There's no turning back. Stories have been lived and stories have been told. Some of them are true and some are just fool's gold. And all that is gold does not glitter or glow. When a wanderer is lost, that's the point. You will know you are lost.